and we went to Bunnings, and he's got the very stylish gumboots.
This is my assisting. I'm assisting.
Yeah, but oh no.
Recording.
Oh, I was about to go. Jeez, I hate that voice. My voice. So Brian, what are we here for?
Shoot Jacob, but I still don't understand why nigga here.
I'm a waterman.
Guys.
I'm
Yes, bro. Why are you?
I'm making sure that Jacob's hair's wet at all times.
Oh, it's actually quite hot now. Do you understand?
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, everywhere.
You look like a fucking couple of pair of aliens that have just crash landed, and it's like you're doing a Christmas card for Christmas.
Yeah.
Now let's see. Should we see how Jacob how he works the space?
Yes.
So if we did Jacob work the space, no, but seriously, Nick, why are you dressed like that? Because we didn't.
I want to make sure that the vibe's right. I'm trying to keep it and make Jacob feel comfortable.
He's making me feel comfortable.
He's not the only one here like this. I'm just yeah.
And what are you carrying?
This is.
You look like a Ghostbuster, fucking on heat.
This is for Jacob's hair.
Not going to look. All right, Jacob. Can you do the music? Because I can't play the music at the same time.
I don't know. Yeah,
You can sing it. What's your favourite song?
We're going to do Pony.
You know, find out.
Down. 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 I'm just a bachelor.
That one's good. He wasn't joking about Magic Mike, was he?
Can't move.
Nick, do you know any Magic Mike moves?
Yes.
Yeah.
Brian, I should have asked her.
Hang on. It looks like Brian wants to do a bit of Magic Mike as well.
It'll be Magic Mike.
Oh.
Can we get down like this?
Yep.
Hey, we missed that. If you fucking get a rash anywhere,
I'm out of
I swear to God.
Get real itchy real quick here, guys.
God. Don't forget you're getting posy.
Yeah.
You want to get that spontaneity. So, just another day at the office.
This is actually my general daily attire.
Mm-hmm.
A couple of gumboots, a couple of undies.
Where's your helmet? I'll fucking go and buy
We actually are in a special.
psychiatric ward. No joke, we really are.
We really are.
We really are.
I reckon there's someone living in here.
Yeah.
But
Ooh. Is there? Oh, fucking Jesus Christ.
So hot.
And shall we go to, we'll find another location, and I think we'll come back to, actually I think I might just leave because,
Do you want to find another spot?
yep,
Might have worked this one. I got
yeah, Jacob's getting hot.
Yep. Let's go next spot.
Actually, Jacob is hot, so I guess that sort of answers. We're leaving. We're going. We've had enough. Come on. We're moving. Come on, we're going to go find another spot. If the fucking police come again, we are seriously in big strife. Look,
Let's go.
even Jacob's got the mask on for like, I'm not getting booked again. Mr. Bunnings boy. Jacob. All right. Have you ever heard a girl scream louder?
And all of a sudden.
Actually, that's not a bad. Just looking at the shot just here.
I think you might have got your shot.
There you go. You just got
So we'll just take out the Jacob double.
Yes, do that.
Nick,
Done.
good stuff.
Well done.
Have you got the shot, Mr. Brian?
There's a couple of wet boys.
I want to shoot one more time, but
You
One more
would
time?
He would want to.
I think you need to do just one more in the centre, but I think Jacob needs to have the shower. He has to be showering himself.
Yes, I agree.
Or actually, no. You know what?
I shower.
You got to. Given that he's done everything to try and get in the shoot, so
I think they should both get in there.
myself.
Let's
I'll go myself and then Jake does.
gardening and then
Bunnings or no bunnings?
no bunnings.
hot and then take your hair off,
Yeah.
your hair, and then you start shower and then put the water in to your underwear as well.
Yeah. It's gonna get
God, that's gonna be.
bloody fresh.
Now,
Oh, it's not that cold. It's just
Fresh.
can I hear something talking, or is it just me?
Brian's gonna play in the background.
I'm just
Oh,
recording whole situation.
because I'm hearing the jaw and I'm like, I'm going fucking psycho. I thought it was
Turn the volume off, Brian.
Oh, Nikki. Today's journal is just going to be filled with so much. He's going to look up what the meaning of golden shower is. He's going to be confused. This is lazy ass Jacob. Look at him.
I think walking sick. You know, walking sick.
Walking. Well, you are nearly 30, so. There's Brian right up his ass. There we go. Cold. Oh, he's done this before.